So, you brought me to Center Parcs. Exciting. We've got Kitt Medical kits at Center Parcs, yeah?
I know, it sounds kind of surreal. We now have kits in every single village across the UK. You know, we've trained thousands of their staff. We brought you here because you are the leisure hospitality queen. This is where you started. And yeah, it's just wonderful to gain your insight and how you feel like allergies and safety and all of that was when you were on site.
Well, you know, safety was the single biggest issue. I think it's one of the things when you came into the den, to be honest. I got it so instantly. I just thought, you know, if I was still in holiday parks, I would absolutely have these kits in the parks. Are we going to see any kits?
Yes, should we go do that?
Yes, please.
Awesome.
There you are.
Oh, hello. James.
There you are.
We give everyone keys with every kit. The kits are installed on the wall, so obviously across Center Parcs, quite a few in the villages.
Yeah.
You put the key in the middle, turn that to the left, then it comes out the wall mount. Someone's running to the emergency, they lift the latch, and inside you've got the adrenaline pens. So hopefully you're trained. You've done our training course, you know what to do. So 4 steps to save a life, really simply, on how to use a pen.
It's like a defibrillator for anaphylaxis.
So they all have expiry dates, and what
Yeah.
we do is we manage and track all of that for sites like Center Parcs.
So that's part of your service. Locationally, where are they? Are they geographically spread around the UK?
Yeah. As time goes on, hopefully we'll see more and more businesses on the back of
And
this
we'll
sort of
see
thing.
no land at all. All we'll see
Just
is
kits.
kits.
It'll just be one
Excellent.
big plus.
One
across-
big kit. It's one of those things that once it hits a tipping point, people think, oh, that's you
Yeah.
know, we should have those, shouldn't we? This has really come on a lot since the den. This is brilliant. What next?
We want to be seen as the thing that every organisation needs in their health and safety policies. This needs to be part of their standard of health and safety. And that's where we're going.
Oh, cheers to that.